Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. Today we are trying out a brand that I've wanted to try out for a really long time. The brand is StoryBook Cosmetics. They came out with the fairytale palettes and I was like, I bought I think the big one is Briar Rose, and then I got the Robin Hood one and the Little Red Riding Hood palette. Last time I checked, which I think was last week or like 2 weeks ago, the fairytale palettes are still available on StoryBook Cosmetics website. I did see that they told someone on Instagram, someone asked if they were going to be restocking them once they sold out, and they said probably not. But last I checked, they're still available and they're still on sale. I just think they're so adorable. Like, I want to decorate with them. I mean, they take up a lot of space, but I definitely think it's worth it. Just the way they look is so cute. Today we're going to be using the Little Red Riding Hood palette. Oh, this is cute. This is a little bit about the brand. It says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. You open this one up and it looks like a legit book, and it's got a little mirror in there. I already took the little film off, and it has a quote at the top. Someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again, by C.S. Lewis. It comes with 6 shades. Focus, you little bitch. I think I should be able to get a full look out of this. Like, these 3 here would work as transition shades for me, and then I'd probably use something sparkly on the lids. As we know by now, I suck at swatching. We have Journey, Woods, Basket, Peril, Bad Wolf, and Red. It does not look as bright and vibrant on the camera as it does in person, but these shimmery shades are like, they're so pretty. I'm gonna go in with the lightest color, Journey. Kind of a peach kind of color. Oh, what the hell, we'll go in with Woods anyway. The mirror is actually a really good size. I wasn't really sure how useful the mirror would be just because of the way it opens and like the shape and stuff of the box. It actually works really well and is really comfortable and easy to hold. And then I'm gonna go in with Basket. I'm gonna use one of the shimmers. I really want them to like stand out, so I feel like I should put like, I don't know, some concealer or some shit on. I'm just using like the ColourPop No Filter concealer on my eyelid. I hate it under my eyes, I really do, but it'll work for your lid. I'm gonna put Bad Wolf on the very outer edges. It kind of looks like a warm gray. I mean, if a wolf was shimmery, I mean, that's kind of the color. And then I'm gonna go in with Peril. Okay, it's much more pigmented when you use your finger. Or maybe this brush just sucks. Fucking Lancome brush though, it better do better. Peril and Bad Wolf almost seem kind of foily in the way that they look in here and the way that they swatch, but it looks like Red. I don't know if you can tell there. It looks like almost like the top shimmeriness came off. So maybe that's why it's not like quite giving me the oomph that I wanted, but still good though. I think it's still a cute color. This is the completed look. I just ran the colors, like I ran Bad Wolf, Peril, and I think like Journey or Woods underneath my eye. I put some eyeliner on underneath of my eye, and then I put eyeliner on top and some lashes. I put a little bit too much liner on because I was testing out magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner. The eyeliner was kind of difficult, so I put a little bit way too much on. I think they're really good quality, like especially for the price. I think I got this for $15. I just think for everything, it's a good price. I think it's really important when brands add like an experience almost. When you order from StoryBook Cosmetics, you're not just buying an eyeshadow palette, like you're buying the experience. The like magical looking like fairy tale book and the book quotes, and you're literally like buying a little book. It's so cute. I think that's very important, especially for makeup brands. I think when you have like an experience or like a story that goes along with your product, it's just, I'm probably gonna buy it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I have some more StoryBook Cosmetics videos coming. Like I said, I bought all of their fairytale palettes, so I have other ones that I wanna review and do looks on. I hope you subscribe and stick around, and I will see you in my next video.